Alright, YouTube, check it out. We got an unboxing for y'all today. I've been telling y'all I was gonna unbox the Cailber, the 22 Stinger. I ain't had time, but I found some time today, so we're gonna unbox this. As y'all can see, I got my client in the chair. Let me turn this down real quick, she's loud. But I got my client in the chair, about to chop him up. But before we do that, let's go ahead and open this box so y'all can see what comes in the Cailber 22 Stinger. Open that thing up. I like this black case. All right, guys, so let's look at these cases. We got this nice all black lid. I like this one. I might throw this one on a little bit. And it comes with a gold lid. And then we also get the charging dock. And this is the trimmer. Let's check it out real quick. Y'all hear that hum? It's quiet. Put this to the side. Let's see what else comes in this box. So then we also get some guards for the trimmer. I know we never really use those. We got this we'll never look at. We get a screwdriver. We get a charging cord so you can charge the clipper, or you can charge the trimmer by connecting this straight to the trimmer or putting it to the charging base. And then we got a USB charger, and then some brush and some oil. But that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna put this trimmer to use today. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's go.
He's different.
Yeah, he is.
He really ain't.
Nah, he's out there. Yeah, I never used them before. They work pretty good.
Don't even feel like you're cutting them.
Alright guys, so here is the Cailber 22 Stinger. Let's go ahead and finish looking at the box since we really didn't look at it earlier. But here is the box. You know, it's a nice box. Not too shabby. Let's check out the back. Revolutionary professional cordless trimmer. Superior Japanese precision linear magnetic motor. The first and fastest linear magnetic trimmer. More than 10,000 strokes per minute of consistent power. More than 5 years of lifetime. Low noise and less vibration technology. Pro lithium battery. You get 120 minutes plus of power. Japanese steel DLC coated blades. Ergonomic and durable design. Basically that's what the back says. Y'all seen what came with it earlier. So yeah guys, here it is. So straight off the bat guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. When I first picked it up, I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna like this trimmer. But when I actually started working with it, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not sure if I like it or not. So straight out the box, guys, I don't know if I really mess with this trimmer. Like, it's a cool trimmer. I do like the way that it's shaped. I like the way it feels in my hand. But just for whatever reason, this trimmer really wasn't hitting for me. Now, I know I've seen some people say that their Stinger hits, but just for whatever reason, mine wasn't hitting. Now, mind you, I did not zero gap it. I've been using it straight out the box. And to me, I think the blade needs to be moved up just a hair. But even when it comes to balding, it really didn't do a good job. Like, yeah, it got the job done, but it felt like it was struggling, and obviously that's not something you want out of a trimmer. Now, I know people are gonna be in my comments talking about, man, you're not even supposed to bald with the trimmer. I get it, you're not supposed to, but we all do it anyways. So with that being said, I just think that they could have made this trimmer a little better. That way it balds better and it lines up better. And once again, guys, this is just my opinion on my use with this trimmer, you know what I'm saying? I know some people, they may say it's a great trimmer, and hey, it may be a great one for you, but currently for me, it's average, it's mid, you know what I'm saying? I do like the fact that it came with different lids. If I do continue to use this trimmer, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this this lid off, and I'm gonna put the black one on here. And one reason why is black, I just think it looks nice, right? And then two is I don't like the way this one, you can see like the fingerprints, like it starts to look dirty. It just starts to look pretty, you know, it don't look the best that it can look, you know, once you start using it. When you turn it on, it feels like it's gonna cut really good. Let me go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So turning it on, it sounds like it's gonna work really good. But once again, guys, maybe it's the blade. Maybe I need to move the blade up. When it came to me just like debulking hair, it just honestly didn't do it for me. I feel that it could be a better trimmer if they put maybe a different blade on it, or maybe if, I don't know, man. Like, I'm not the one creating these tools, you know what I'm saying? But it does kind of remind me of the X Evo. So I'm thinking if you could slap a GTX blade on here, it'll probably be even better. But that's basically it for this video, guys. I just wanted to give y'all some insight on this trimmer. I've had people ask me to use it, so I said, you know what, let me go ahead and purchase it and put it to use for y'all. But like I said, guys, that's basically my thoughts on this trimmer. But if you like this video, guys, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.